Hello, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. March 2nd here in Connecticut. Another beautiful day. Haven't had hardly any snow all winter. Such an awesome thing. It's gonna be 50 degrees out today, so I decided to do a video on cruise control today. I have a 2019 Harley Davidson Iron 1200 Sportster, but this cruise control I think will work on any bike. But before we get into that, I want to say if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on the videos you like. So, I am not a big highway rider to say, but I do mostly back roads, okay? And so where I ride, there is not a lot of traffic lights. So I don't get a lot of downtime to stop and take my right hand off the throttle and rest. So a lot of times if you're riding with people and doing stuff, my hand, I get the tingles pretty bad. So I started looking into cruise control for the bike. And on Amazon, they offer a ton of these. They're all basically the same thing. Labeled differently, sold by different people, but this was about 21 bucks, okay? And what it does, let me open it up here. It's a nice aluminum piece, so it's all aluminum, pretty heavy. They send you a rubber, what do we want? Like a band. You open it up, you slide it over your grip on the right side, all the way over against the grip, okay? And then this is the adjuster here. You open it up, you slide it on, you get it over. So on your throttle, it's gonna look like that, okay? You're gonna tighten this just till it snugs up on it, all right? And you're gonna get the feel. You want this to be able to slide a little on your throttle, but also hold it if you let go. So you gotta get out and adjust it, I guess. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go outside. We're going to put the rubber band around the throttle. We're going to put this on. We're going to start the bike, and we're going to see how it works. You know, usually you're giving it your throttle. Okay, you're at your speed you want on a straightaway. You want to take a break. There's this piece here. You put your thumb against it. You push it against your brake lever, and now you can let go, and it should hold your throttle. Okay. And then when you want to release it, all you do is take the throttle, push it forward. This will hold against the brake lever, and it'll be back to the normal position. They also say if you have an emergency and you go to stop, when you pull the brake lever, it'll push this up and it will take off the cruise control. So when we're out there putting it on the bike, we'll test it, kind of see how it works in different positions. And we'll let you know. But it seems like for $21 to get a little rest for your hand, seems like a good deal. All right. Thank you very much. And we'll be outside on the bike in a couple of seconds. All right, guys. So here we are out at the bike. I'm going to take the basically rubber band, try to stretch it and get it all the way down on my grip here. You don't want it to all fold up. So it's flat there. Now let's get it all the way down. Get it all the way against piece there. All right, let's see what it's gonna feel like when we put the piece on there. All right, so we got that on there. All right, so now we're gonna put the Go cruise control on the grip. Okay, so we're gonna slide it over. Now we're going to tighten it up. You want to keep it as far to the left on the band as you can, because you want to leave as much room for your hand. So let's see, there it is. Normal throttle. Okay, and I want to put the cruise on. Bam. Turn it off. All right, so that seems pretty cut and dry. So without further ado, we're gonna start the bike up and see how it sounds and how it holds. All right, so let's fire her up. Seems to hold it pretty good. So if you're out on a cruise, just for an example, you set your throttles up, you hit that, it's gonna hold you until you take it off. Pretty nice. You definitely have to push the throttle forward to take it off. I don't think pulling the brake lever on this bike will exactly take it off. The only thing that is a little disappointing is it does take a little room off of the grip. Probably take a little bit of getting used to, but if you don't need it, you can take it off, put it in your bag, in your pocket, until you're going to be on roads where you know you're not going to get a break. All right, so this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe, and let's get ready to ride this spring.